Alphabet Song IPA. Hi, how are you? Have you listened to the song about animals and objects in the letter I song yet? You can listen to this song again to warm up before starting this IPA pronunciation lesson. Please drink some warm water and relax while practicing with Woala English. Practice together right now.
A A A
Apple. Apple. A is for apple, juicy and red. Apple is a round fruit with firm, white flesh and a green, red, or yellow skin. Ant. Ant. A is for ant, marching by my bed. Ant is a very small insect that lives under the ground in large and well-organized social groups. Air. Air. A is for air that we breathe every day. Air is the mixture of gases that surrounds the earth and that we breathe. Apron. Apron. A is for apron when we paint and play. Apron is a piece of clothing worn over the front of other clothes to keep them clean when doing a dirty or messy job, especially cooking. Alligator. Alligator. A is for alligator, big and green. Alligator is a large reptile with a hard skin that lives in and near rivers and lakes in the hot, wet parts of America and China. It has a long nose that is slightly wider and shorter than that of a crocodile. Ape. Ape. A is for ape, the silliest you've seen. Ape is an animal like a large monkey with no tail that uses its arms to move through trees. Acorn. Acorn. A is for acorn, falling from a tree. Acorn is an oval nut that grows on an oak tree and has an outer part shaped like a cup. Airplane. Airplane. A is for airplane, flying high and free. Airplane is a vehicle designed for air travel that has wings and one or more engines.
Congratulations!
You've just completed the pronunciation practice for animal and object names that begin with the letter A. Now, take a deep breath and drink some warm water. Please rewatch this video daily to practice. We believe you can improve your English quickly by practicing with Woala English. Please subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications to watch the latest English songs and short stories and practice English every day. Thank you.